In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy ETFs on CMC Markets. Now, the first thing you want to do, you want to go in this tab here at the top left, and you want to click on this plus button, hover over products, and click on ETFs. This will open up all the different ETFs available. Just find the ones you want. I'm going to go into the US over here because first you can, of course, select the country. And then in here, you can just find the one you want to get. I'm just going to click on a completely random one over here and make sure you find the one you want, right click it, and then click on order ticket. And what this is going to do here, it's going to pop up on your screen like this as basically as an order box window. You can move this around, and then here you can click on either buy or sell. We're going to do buy right now. Select the amount of units, and you'll be able to see the amount in your currency as well. Then select what type of order you want, so either a market, limit, or stop entry order. And then you can also add a stop loss or a take profit if you want to. Click on this arrow over here to pretty much see everything regarding your order and potential costs. And then over here, you can also click on place a market by order with costs or any other type of order, depending which one you have selected. And when you do that, your order has been placed, and you'll be able to see it down here under positions. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.